If you are looking for a passive income to level up, this website is a game changer. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to receive calls and earn money remotely. You can work from anywhere, any part of the country, whether in your office or home. So stick around as I walk you through. Before we go into the video, remember I am Emmanuel ENET. So let's dive into the video. But hold on, if you have not watched this video, kindly go and watch it because there is a lot you have to learn from it. And then if today is your first time coming to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. For my wonderful returning subscribers, I say a very big thank you for being part of the community. So let's go to this website. The website is called rentacyberfriend.com. So this is the website here. Once you get to this website, it's very easy to navigate. Look at it. Very easy to navigate. You can see video calls and all of that, but let's not make the video too long. I don't want to make the video too long. So straightforward, we go to this point where it says sign up. You are going to click on sign up. So to sign up, for the sake of this video, I'm going to sign up again. I already have an account which I am working with, but let's sign up and see how it is. You can see I am a cyber friend. I am a caller, and because we want to earn money from this website, what we need is to earn money. So we are going to select I am a cyber friend. So it says you can earn money by chatting with callers who will pay you by the minute. Can you see that? So this is very easy. And then we are going straight now to sign up. So I'll click on sign up as a cyber friend. So once that is done, it will bring you to this page. Don't worry if you are a phone user. I'm going to show you also maybe a few things that you need to know from the phone. So you can see in this page, you can't find anything here. So you need to go down to this point. Can you see it? To this point, like footer. For phone users, you can see it at the footer of your phone. So that's your mobile phone. So I'll go ahead and sign up with let me just use a random name. Okay, so for the sake of this video, I'm going to go to temp mail to get a random email because I already have an account. I just want to show us how it works. So let's use this temp mail to get what we want. So if you are getting value in this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Drop your comment in the comment section. If there is anything you want me to make video about, just drop it in the comment section. Alright, now we have our email. You can see temp mail here. Please, if you know you want to earn money from this website, don't use temp mail because this is for temporary. It is called temporary email. You can use for just a temporary sign up. I already have an account, an active account there, but I just want to use this to show us. So I will click on this point to copy this email. Let me say eNet and then name digitals. Then the email, I'll put this. So once you are done entering your name, your email address, your password, you click on this point here to accept the terms. Then you click this and then you click sign up now. You can see the code. A code has been sent to my email, which is this temp mail. So I'm going to come to this point. You can see I just received the email here. So I'm going to click and copy the link, the code. Sorry. So I just copied, or let me use this. I copied and then go back to the website and enter my code and then submit. The site is very simple to navigate. You can see this is the account I just created. Now you can see it's showing already the $sign showing my earnings. You can see it here. So it's very simple to navigate, but don't be in a haste. Don't be in a haste to leave, please. I want to show you more things because you need to optimize this website in order for people to see you and call you. And to do that, you need to first, impute your image here, you can see what it says here. You have not completed all the required data for being able to accept calls. Click here to find it. So I will click on this point. So I'll click here. You can see the first thing is it says upload profile picture. Next thing is to enter your city wherever you want. Let me just say mail, of course. Then interest, you put your interest. Take your time in this particular place. Take your time. What you want, you can see the amount here. You can change or just listen to this particular point here. In this place, you choose whatever interest you want people to call you for. So for example, like myself, I am a tech expert, so I will click on tech chatter. Then I will enter the amount that I want. I can just say $10 per call, and then I will add tag like tech, AI, social media. So these are keywords that I will use now to capture people who are searching for those that will help them in tech related things or AI related stuffs or social media. So these are the keywords that I need. If you don't know how to use your keyword, you can ask ChatGPT to generate keyword for your area of expertise. So once you are done, you click on this point. Okay, so this is basically how to do this. So if you love this video, kindly give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will do well to keep you updated as things are unfolding on this website. If you also have doubts in any way, let me know in the comment section and I will show you the review I got from other sources concerning this website, showing that it is legit. So thank you so much for sticking around. Remember, I am Emmanuel EO ENET. Thank you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to drop your comment and let me know what you think in the comment section.